Hello, hello, hello everybody. Welcome to our English class. Well, this video is sponsored by Madhu's English for You, and today we will learn an interesting topic from grammar, question number 16, and it's all about editing. Well, now let's see what are the focused areas in this question. The first thing is that subject verb agreement, and next we will look at the tense consistency, pronouns, articles, prepositions, conjunctions, and the right form of the words. Now you will get the question number 16. Edit the following passage correcting the underlined parts. Now look at the picture. What do you find? Do you find any mistake here? Read the sentence carefully. A bird in the bush or the bush. So there is a repetition of the article the. So in the same way you will find lot of mistakes in this question. Let's check it out. So the right one is a bird in the bush. Well, let's read this sentence carefully. First of all, try to read the total paragraph and try to identify the tense. And then already the underlined parts are there, but however I am going to give you, just try if you can find any mistakes. I has lived at Delhi most of my life, and there is a places that I remembers very well. It's a short dark streets with building on both sides. The buildings is very tall, at least 4 floors. There are a entrance but no exit from this street. So if you look at this paragraph, there are n number of mistakes. Almost all, there are 10 mistakes. Can you figure out? Try it. Now we will check. Right. So these are the mistakes we found. Now the first one is I. We always say that the subject verb agreement, if it is I or we use have. He or she, it is has. And remember, I was talking about the tense also. So entire the passage is the tense consistency is present tense. So the first one will go with I have lived. I have lived. So do we use at or in when we talk about the preposition? So I have lived in Delhi most of my life, and there is a place. Is it there are a place? There are places or there is a place? So there is a place that I. Again, if it is with he or she, we is remembers, but that I remember. Very well. It's a short dark street with, will you find only one building or more than one building? So with buildings on both sides, the buildings again we can say are very tall, at least 4 floors. There are a entrance or there is an entrance. So there is an entrance but no exit from this street. Perfect. This is how we will do. Let's look at one more example. The windows looks dirty, but it is only shadow and window covering that makes them look dark. Most people keeps them clean and nice. I think about this place often because I spent most of my life there with many good friends. Try to find out again. The windows, so it's plural, so is it look or looks? Right? The windows look dirty. But I was talking about the present tense, so it is but it is only shadow and window covering that. That's again plural, we'll go with make. Make them look dark. Most peoples or people. So obviously it is keep. them clean and nice. I think about this place often, but I spent or this place often because I spent most of my not our so most of my life there with many good friends. Okay, now let's go with the other one. Dreams. These interesting topics have been on people's minds in a long time. Everybody have the ability to dream in one way or another. Some people even say that dreaming was a sign to slept well. Throughout time, it have always been a top priority to figure out the nature of dreams. Try to find out the mistakes. Well, here we go. Dreams. The first mistake is these. So dreams, we're not talking about only particular the topic of dreams. So we say this interesting topic. So it will be has been on people's minds for a long time. Everybody, it always takes singular. So everybody has the ability to dream in one way or another. Some people even say that dreaming is present tense. So we use is a sign 2 plus v1 always it will be 2 plus v1. So sign to sleep well. Throughout time, it has always been a top priority. It's a singular to figure out the nature of dreams, right? So now we'll work with another one. Although our knowledge of dreams are still in a primitive stage, we has already managed to divide them into category. The majority of people will agree that nightmares, daydreams and visions are the most common types of dream. Try to find out, there are a lot of mistakes. Can you find? Although our dreams of dreams, although our knowledge of dreams. So is it we are talking again the dreams or the knowledge? Here we go. Let's check it. Although our dreams of or knowledge of dreams, so here we are talking about is still in a primitive state, we have. So we have already managed to divide them into categories. Divide them into categories. Okay. The majority of people will agree that nightmares, daydreams, and visions are the most common types of dreams. Okay. Right. There is a lot of important thing in a lifetime. A most important thing for a young people is to get a good education. A good education help you to get a good job later on. You need a job for earn money to live comfort. Try to read the given paragraph again and again so that you will find a lot of clues there only. Try to find out. Now here we go. There is a lot of important thing. So is it there is or there are? There are a lot of important things in a life. See, it's most. So we use the article the. So the most important thing for young people or for young people? It's a plural. So we don't use any article. For young people, here we are talking about is, not people. So the most important thing for young people is to get a good education or good education. It's education. A good education, again it's singular, so we'll go with helps. You to get a good job later on, and you need a good job for earn or to earn enough money and to live comfortably. We are talking about the word choice here, right? Once again, we'll go with one more example. Also, everyone need to settle down by having a families because it is important in order for civilization to continue. However, being happy with oneself is truly the most important thing in life. Try to find out the mistakes. And now, here we go. Also, everyone, it's a singular, so we use needs. To settle down by having a family or a families. A family because it is important in order for civilization to continue. However, being happy with oneself is truly the most important thing in life. It's not lives, right? So in life. Okay, right. Now we will work with this one more example. We have some important decision to make in my life. We can't run away from them and needs to choose, choose what is best for we. The three most important decisions for me are where to study, choice of jobs, and whom to marry. Oh, all of them is important, but perhaps marriage is the most important ones. We have to choose whether we will marry or not. Even when we read also, we can't read it wrong sentences. So that's why we often fumble. So try to trust and believe your tongue first. So hope there are a lot of mistakes. Again, you can find 10 mistakes. Try to figure out and round it if it's possible from every word and every sentence. Read again and again, you'll get the clues there. Right. We have some important decision or decisions. Decisions to make. See, here I'm talking about the pronoun. When it is we, is it my lives or our lives? Our lives. We can't run away from them and need to see. After two, it's always we1. So we have to use to choose. What is best for we or us? What is best for us? The three most important decisions for me or for us again. For us are where to study, choice of jobs, and whom to marry. It's not marriage. Perfect. All of them is important or all of them are important? All of them are important, but perhaps marriage is the most important one. We have to choose whether they will marry or we will marry. We will marry or not, right? So this is how we'll go. The last exercise from this practice, if we doesn't marry, it means that we will not have a family including our own children. I often listen most of the children saying like this. The decision about whom will marry are difficult to make also. In conclusions, we can't predict what will happen and how our life will be influenced by the decision. But we have to decide even if it turn out bad. Try to find out 10 mistakes here again. Right. If we, is it doesn't or don't? So if we don't marry, it means that we will not have a family including we are saying we, so again it will be our own children, not children. The decision about whom we will marry, we are talking about the decision, so it is again singular, is about to make, so in conclusions or in conclusion, in conclusion, we can't predict what will happen and how our life will be influenced by the decision, but we have to decide even if it turns out bad. So this is how we do. Well, now explorers has lived in almost all times and in almost every countries. There is many interesting books written and lots of adventure movies made about them. We can see that an explorer's life is not just interesting, but it's also dangerous. In my opinion, explorers should be strong and brave, smart and experienced, and also has a sense of adventure. Hope you are trying to make out and find out the mistakes. Right. Explorers is plural. Again, we use have lived in almost all times and in almost all every country. Right. So there are many interesting books written and lots of adventure movies. So it's again here passive voice. So movies are made about them. We can see them, that an explorer's life is not just interesting, but it's also dangerous. In my opinion, explorers should be strong but brave. We're talking about the conjunction, smart and experienced, and also have a sense of adventure. Hope you had practiced a lot of exercises. Now we'll look at how we are going to face in our examination. Fortunately, the mistakes will be already identified and underlined. So the first one is the classic and tradition item on the agenda of every pilgrim on Tirumala is Laddu, who celebrated its diamond jubilee in 2015, have emerged in its present form of a ball since 1940. Try to read the paragraph again and again. I told you you have to check the tense consistency, then the pronouns, then the conjunctions and the prepositions. So let's work with it. You can find the clue, the classical and traditional of every pilgrim in Tirumala is Laddu. So here we are talking about Laddu. So it will be which celebrated its diamond jubilee in 2015, and again it is we are talking about a singular, so we say had. This is how we are going to write, and when you write the answers, you write question number 16 and then A traditional, B in, C which, and D has. Right. Let's look at one more example. The Taj Mahal was situated in Agra in the banks of the river Yamuna. It was built in the memory of. It is an rare example of architecture beauty. So now try to read again and again. So it's almost all like present because it's where it is still. So we'll go with the Taj Mahal is situated in Agra on the banks of the river Yamuna. It was built in the memory of Mumtaz. It is a rare example of architecture beauty. Right. Now we will look at the third one. Plants is very useful to us. They give us many things. We get fruits and vegetables for plants. We get pulses. Their dash give us medicines. Trees give us shady. Birds build nests on the branches of trees or keep their eggs and young ones safe. Try to read again and again. So the first one is plants. So it is or are. Are. Now the second one, we get fruits, vegetables for or from plants. The next one is there or they. Trees give us something you find odd, right? So maybe shade. Right. Plants are very useful to us. They give us many things. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. We get pulses. They give us medicines. Trees give us shade. Right. Hope you enjoyed this, and to watch more videos, and please subscribe Madhu's English for You and share with your friends. That's all for today.